What's up everybody, Android here. So, if you're following the Apple iPhone 15 series news, you might already know that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be destined to be a super flagship. And as I already told you, after releasing the iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 14 series might look old comparing to it. And I was right though, as yesterday, Unbox Therapy has shared a hands-on look at the iPhone 15 Pro Max using a one-to-one replica created by the third-party case makers with access to early Apple products. And as you can see, by far the most obvious difference is the thinness of the display, and this is a side-by-side comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the bezel's thinness on the unreleased model looks almost the half of the size of those found on its predecessor, potentially offering the best screen-to-body ratio of any smartphone available. And both the iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to have thinner and little bit curvier bezels compared to the iPhone 14 Pro, resulting in an Apple Watch-like appearance, and rumors suggest that the larger 6.7-inch model will have the most minimal of bezels. You were wondering why I'm only talking about bezels? Well, according to the Ice Universe, who is again a well-known leakster, said that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will break the record of 1.8 mm bezels held by the Xiaomi's 13 phone, as the iPhone 15 Pro Max will have bezel width of just 1.55 mm at the thinnest edge, while the Samsung's Galaxy S23 Ultra's bezels measures in at 1.9 mm. So you can have a good idea about how thin the bezels of the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be. And of course, I would say bezels alone are not enough to make a phone a top flagship, and the iPhone 15 Pro Max is also expected to have several other improvements over its predecessor. Especially, the top-tier model is rumored to have a dedicated periscope camera for the first time, so it is certain that the iPhone 15 series will be insanely good. So yeah, what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.